Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and of course, Wi-Fi and network settings. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type in Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. This will bring up options related to your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and even hotspot configurations. Step 4. From the search results, tap on the option that says Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Once inside, you'll need to tap it again, then tap Reset Settings to confirm. Now don't worry, this won't delete your apps, photos, or files. It just resets your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth settings back to default. This often clears up connection issues caused by glitches or misconfigured settings. Step 5. For the last and most important step, after resetting, go ahead and restart your Samsung Galaxy phone. This helps apply the reset properly. Once your phone turns back on, try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network. You'll need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password, but your connection should now be working perfectly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.